Good morning, humans. Xanthia here, and I am in Las Vegas, Nevada for some reason.
Swing your partner, do-si-do. AC-doocy.
Tank is everywhere. It's like he's haunting me.
Just listen.
So my boyfriend PJ is in the adult industry, and he comes out to this event every year. This is my first time checking it out with him. It's pretty cool. I'm so high right now.
Very nice to meet you. You deserve this.
Why are you so upset? It's not a big deal.
Want to see more?
Meow wolf. Meow wolf. Meow wolf. Meow wolf. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Only me in the tub.
Thank you very much. Make it to the end of our video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, Mr. Tank, what are 3 things you think they should do right here? Like, comment, subscribe.
I would like to thank you so very much for making it to the end of my video. And if you could like, comment, and subscribe, and click on that little bell there so you know when I post a new video. I post a new video every day. And if you have any friends that are cool enough to share my video with, that would be cool. Because cool people, you know, we should stick together.
I don't have enough views yet to monetize my YouTube here, so I do truly appreciate anyone that can subscribe to my Patreon. Those you guys, you my Patreon subscribers, oh my god, I thank you so very much. Without you, I could not possibly make videos like this. This is all your fault, and I thank you.